In front of me is VIVO V40 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to Hide Accounts. Then use this gear next to Google and access Google Passwords Manager. Now it's time to select Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or hit Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!